Feeling overwhelmed by life's challenges? Imagine having a set of timeless principles to guide you through tough times, help you stay calm, and live with purpose. In this video, we'll explore the 10 Stoic rules for life, powerful lessons from ancient philosophy that can help you build resilience, find peace, and lead a more meaningful life. Let's begin. Stoicism is a practical philosophy developed by ancient thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca. It's not about complex theories. It's about simple, actionable ideas that help you master your mind and thrive in any situation. These 10 rules are your roadmap to a stronger, more focused, and peaceful life. Rule 1. Control what you can, let go of the rest. The first Stoic rule is to focus only on what you can control, your actions, thoughts, and decisions. Let go of things you can't control, like other people's opinions or random events. This single principle will reduce stress and bring clarity. Rule 2. Live in alignment with nature. To the Stoics, living in harmony with nature means accepting life as it is. Embrace the highs and lows as natural parts of existence. This mindset helps you stay balanced no matter what life throws at you. Rule 3. Practice gratitude every day. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good exercise, it's a powerful tool to shift your perspective. As Seneca said, "He is most powerful who has power over himself." Start each day by listing 3 things you're thankful for. Rule 4. Embrace discomfort. The Stoics believed that intentionally facing discomfort makes you stronger. Try fasting, waking up early, or limiting your screen time. These practices build discipline and remind you how little you actually need to be happy. Rule 5. Don't be a slave to material things. Material possessions can distract us from what truly matters. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Focus on experiences, relationships, and inner growth instead. Rule 6. Accept mortality to live fully. Death is a natural part of life, and the Stoics believed that reflecting on it helps us live more intentionally. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." Remembering this will help you focus on what truly matters. Rule 7. Take responsibility for your life. The Stoics taught that blaming others or external circumstances is a waste of time. Take ownership of your life. When you take responsibility for your actions, you reclaim your power and control. Rule 8. Treat adversity as an opportunity. Every challenge you face is a chance to grow stronger. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Turn obstacles into stepping stones. Rule 9. Seek progress, not perfection. Life isn't about being perfect, it's about striving to be better every day. Reflect on your actions daily. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What can I improve? This practice keeps you grounded and growing. Rule 10. Help others and contribute to the greater good. Stoicism emphasizes community and serving others. When you help others, you find deeper meaning in your own life. As Seneca wrote, "No man can live happily who has regard for himself alone." Contributing to the greater good enriches your soul. These 10 Stoic rules are more than just ideas. They're tools for living a purposeful, peaceful life. Start small. Pick one rule and apply it today. Over time, these principles will transform your mindset and your life. Which rule speaks to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments.